Alright, here's a quick video on some power banks I like to use to help power my GoPros, camcorders, and IR lights for my investigations. Let's take a look. Alright, so what you see are 4 different power banks. As far as charge-wise, they take a decent amount of time to completely charge, but the only difference in all 4 of these, my opinion, is their looks. I've had them go from, pretty much range from 4 to 8 hours of continuous recording with a GoPro or your camcorder. They each have the USB plug-in. These 3 have one USB plug-in and the outlet to charge them. And then this one, the USB is on the side, and then the other side is where you would plug it in to charge it. This one I just recently purchased. If you turn it on, it shows you the amount of charge it has left. It also has 2 USB outputs. Okay, here's the setup. Here's the power bank. Just turned it on about a minute ago, and it was fully charged. Now it's at 99%. IR light, hacked, action camera. See how long it lasts. I will have a link for all 4 of these items down below from Amazon where I ordered them. I've used all 3 of these on all my investigations. You can easily attach these 3 to your tripod and then your camera on top and plug it in, and you got, like I said, I guess 4 to 6 hours of record time with them. The only difference is with these 3, you can't plug in 2 items to it, like your light and camera. Okay, it's been 2 hours, and I just want to check the status on the battery here. 76%, 2 hours. Everything's still going. I used to do the whole DVR system, which is great, but to be honest, I'm sick and tired of running the cables all over the damn place, so I've switched to these. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and keep your eyes open because I'm going to have more to this series of Paranormal Tech coming up. Stay tuned.